It's a game where y'all put one foot right beside each other like that, and y'all both go boom, boom. Y'all both go boom, 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 until the first person moves their foot, and then you lose. Bow. Boom. I be cheating. I be pushing them. I be like, and they have no choice but to move. It's called swag.
Yeah.
You know how to play Ninja?
All three of us should play it. That'd be cool. Ninja. When you go like this, and you have to freeze, and you have to try and hit.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
You ready? All three of us play. Hands at your side. And go.
Hold on. I did that on purpose. I ain't even gonna lie. I don't want y'all smacking my hat. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm from Zone 22 in Minnesota.
20 City, Minnesota, all day, every day. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Go. It's gonna be hard with two people.
Oh.
That's not fair. We're all supposed to move at the same time. Oh wait, we should.
It goes in a circle.
Okay, me, you. I mean.
Me, you.
Me, you.
Alright,
Ready, set, go.
Oh.
Now him. No, you two.
Why?
Because why?
It gotta go in order.
Why not?
I got you.
That's unfair.
Because they just going after my kid, that's why.
Wow.
Oh!
You didn't move.
Oh! What was that?
Yeah, you said. You must have just go like this. Alright. What kind of.
I don't think y'all know how to play.
Now with three people.
Let's go.
Alright.
I'm going first.
We're supposed to go at the same time.
Alright.
What did you? He said. Okay.
Me and you.
Alright.
Y'all all lost. Y'all lost.
During